Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monroe Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Mighty Bears, and standing outside one of their signs that talks about pause, and this is basically their acronym, which the P is personal best, A is accountability, W is wise choices, S is show respect. It's my fourth visit to their campus. Every time I get to share my heart, it's an honor. But today's message really kind of tied all this together, right? We talked about leadership, and these are all qualities of a leader, right? And when we're talking about leaders, you know, there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader. That's why the shirt I wear for this multicolored peace sign for this assembly, there's different colors because, you know, again, some leaders are more vocal, loud like myself. I talk a lot. Some are more just quiet strength type of leaders that lead by example through their actions. And as long as we're doing something positive for this planet, that's really all that matters. And if we're able to, you know, also think about our legacy, what we want to be remembered for, hopefully like someone's helping hands, and we start to kind of dictate our actions to match what we want for that particular legacy. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some positive music, physical, visual aid props, the students really took that to heart. You know, there were pin drop moments for all the grades during the student programs during the day. We have a parent session tonight, and that's going to be on respect and the fact that we're all miracles. And that also is a part of every presentation that I give, the concept of being miracles, to know how important we are, that it's people first and things second, but knowing our worth, our value, first and foremost. Now we can hopefully help others see that too, to shine our light, be those shining stars that we also discussed, and really help them believe that too, right? So the miracle is the M on all of our palms. I always trace one, right? And with the lines on our hand, we have the letter M, and sometimes more than one, but at least one in each hand. And upside down, this W stands for worthy, obviously up, right side up, not just for Monroe, but for miracle too. So if we can believe that, if we can really step into that and go out into this world and start leading that change, being that change, and all of a sudden, you know, the people around us get inspired, they want to be better, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. You know, an act of kindness is never wasted. Just like a candle that's lit to light another candle, it never loses its flame, right? It always just keeps continuing to grow. So as long as we keep that in mind and that we do things for the right reasons, not just for the trophy, not just for a plaque on the wall with our name, not just for money, but, you know, we do it because it's heavy on our heart, and we do it because it's the right thing to do. You know, that we be those people that are like bowling balls, right? Not balloons, but people with character, people that really live by the mantra, like here at Monroe. Each and every day we strive to do our best, you know, our personal best. And that's all we can do, right? Because we're human. And if we know that part of our why are the people that are here right now with us at this point in time, our family, friends, our fellow classmates, our teachers, coaches, everyone, you know, we're here to lift up each other, to support each other, to help each other. And if we go with that mentality, we're not just gonna have a great school year this year, but even beyond, you know, throughout the rest of our life, we have this opportunity to continue to grow and to continue to really make this world a much better place, right? Because kindness is so needed and desperately needed, and we as leaders can definitely do that. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great to see all of you today. Have a great rest of the year, 2025, 2026. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign on your phone screen wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.